What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani. I'm back at it again with another video, and today we got a cute little unit. She's a 13 by 4 34-inch lace front wig, 180% density, and it does have Swiss lace on it. And I feel like you will be able to tell that because just how melted my wig is in this video. So here I'm just showing you all the little goodies that it comes with, and they have like a little information card. And I am actually doing the ball cap method today. So I'm spraying her down in the front with the Got to Be Free spray. I usually don't even do this, but I just wanted to melt it super cute and make the wig look super natural today. So after I did that, I'm going to blow dry it and then cut off the extra cap. One thing you want to make sure you do is slick your hair back before applying the ball cap, because if you have any hairs around the wig cap while you're cutting it, it will be getting cut off. So make sure your hair is slicked back and cut as much of the extra cap off as possible. So that's what I'm doing here. This is it afterwards. I don't put makeup on mine just because I feel like I don't need to, but I just tried the wig on before and I just wanted to show you how fire this hairline was. So here I'm actually going to apply my Got to Be on my hairline. I'm not even going to cut the lace. I'm going to cut the lace after the glue has been applied and the wig has been set, just to give it a natural more cut on the hairline so it blends a lot better. To get a super duper laid wig, I do recommend you getting a hot comb, sis, and hot combing those roots. That definitely does make a difference. I never knew it made so much of a difference until I got one. And the hairline came plucked. I plucked it a little bit more, but it was really, really, really natural. I literally only probably plucked it for 5 minutes and it looked like this. It was fire. Next, I'm just cutting the lace with the scissors. It would be easier if I did like it with like an eyebrow razor, but I didn't have one of those. And as you can see, there's the white line in the front of the wig. I'm gonna show you how I actually melt that down into my actual scalp. So once you've cut off as much lace as you can, you just want to take the spray bottle, spray a little bit of water on your finger and kind of press it into the lace. Not too much so it doesn't start to lift the lace, but just enough so it's gonna melt. And it's still a little bit white, but once you put the scarf on and take it off, it'll be perfect. Here I'm just gonna pull out a couple of baby hairs just to, you know, fleek up the hairstyle. I love to use Got to Be on my baby hairs just to make sure that they don't move, especially if I'm going to wear this wig for a couple days. I'll use Got to Be. I do not recommend using edge control on your baby hairs on your wig just because edge control is really greasy, and not only is it going to, you know, not make your wig last as long, but it's just going to get greasy in the wig and it's going to be hard to get out. So I don't recommend doing that. And once I was done with that, I just pressed her a little bit with the flat iron, and she was bomb, sis. I did not want to take this wig off. I loved it. I got so many compliments. So I didn't use any product when flat ironing this hair because it really didn't need it. It already had a nice shine and luster to it. And I did use, my heat setting was about 450 if I'm not mistaken. I usually like to use a high heat setting so it just straightens faster. The wig did not tangle, did not shed. It wasn't too thick because I really do genuinely hate super, super thick wigs. So I just thought it was perfect. Don't you just love this bomb install, y'all? So cute. So if you did want to pick up and try this hairstyle out yourself, everything on her will be in the description box down below. If you do pick up this wig, please let them know Kiamani sent you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.